disappointed. I thought they were tastier.
He thought it was gonna be peanut butter, but it's gingerbread. Now a hot chocolate, 10 out of 10. Cheers. Dad, try some. It's so good.
Oh, it tastes like my tia Malia's.
Really? It's that good, right?
It's water and chocolate.
The room like nobody's watching, no, just our bodies, you and me.
Was that enough?
When the night is over, say you
Aletas. Nieve.
who just can't control the way you feel with me. But I can tell that somebody else is on your mind while you're still on mine. Tell me everything, like how she makes you so happy. I'll listen patiently for you before I leave.
There's a gas station.
Party, no drinking, just conversations and making